Hi everyone, my name is Kai from the Peer Advisor for Writing team, and today I will be continuing my guide series on how to use the automatic reference generator Zotero BIP. So this time we'll focus on a particular type of source that Zotero BIP tends to struggle with, which is a chapter in an edited volume. So just to introduce it quickly, there are edited books out there in which one professor will collect many authors together, and each author will contribute a chapter on their expertise. And so we have an example right here. This is from the handbook, the Oxford Handbook of International Trade Law, which is published recently. And so this chapter is named Stakeholders in International Trade Law Dispute Settlement. And so if we want to use this, usually we'll just paste the link into Zotero BIP, but before we do that, we'll just start with the process I've outlined in my first video, and we'll start by looking at all of the components necessary for the citation first. So acquaint ourselves with these components. So first we have the title, and we also have the publication date as well, and we have the author's name. So everything looks good up to here, and now we'll need the name for the editors of this volume. So I'll just check here. You can see here there is the name of the authors of this volume, so the main editors. Then we can return, and we can see once again we'll need to check for the page number and the edition number. So this is second edition, and the page number is a bit strange, but it is the official page number, so we'll work with that. And we have the publisher already, Oxford academic publisher, and so that should be all of the components we need. And so now we can copy the link and put it into Zotero BIP, and then click on the Cite button, and we will generate a citation for you. But always be careful when using automatic reference generator to always double check the output of these automatic reference generator afterwards. So let's do this for this one as well. So first we have the name of the authors, which looks correct. Yes. And then we have the publication date 2022, also correct. We have the title. So as you can see here, the year and the title are both correct. So for APA we'll be using sentence case, so this is correct. And then we have the name of the editors. So there are 4 editors. And then we have the name of the actual book itself, the Oxford Handbook of International Trade Law, the page number, which I already have here, and the noted is the second edition, and then we have the name of the publisher, Oxford University Press, which is also correct, and finally we have the link. So this time, Zotero BIP did a great job in creating this citation, but it will not always be it would not always work so well for other citations. So remember that if you are doing any automatic reference generator, then it is good to always be careful and to acquaint yourself with one of the components of the sources, and so that you can easily spot any mistakes in the reference that Zotero BIP gives you. And so that's all for today. Thank you for listening, and good luck with your paper.